Very good. Pencil.
Pencil.
That's right. Eraser.
Eraser.
Good job. That's correct. Ruler.
Ruler.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Very good. And the last one is backpack.
Backpack.
Perfect. Okay, this time, please identify. Okay, please identify. Okay, what is number one? What is this?
Pen.
Pen. Very good. That's right. What about number two? What is number two?
Pencil.
Pencil. Very good, Darlene. That's correct. What about number three?
Eraser.
Wow, good job. That's correct. What about number four?
Pencil case.
Wow. Now let's read this word again, okay? Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Good job. That's right. Now what about number five?
Ruler.
Ruler. Wow, that's correct. And what is number six, Taulin?
Backpack.
Perfect. Wow, good job. That's correct. All right. Now let's move on to letter C. Listen and sing, then practice. Okay? Let's read. Please read after me. Okay? It's a pen.
It's a pen.
Good job. That's right. It's an eraser.
It's an eraser.
Perfect. That's correct. Now let's read the words.
It.
It is.
It is.
Very good. Now let's identify the things, okay? The school supplies. Okay. Okay. What is number one?
It's a pen.
Very good. That's right. What about number two?
It's a pencil.
Pencil. Good job, Taulin. That's correct. And next one. What is number three?
It's a poop.
Okay. Let's say eraser. Okay. Good job, Taulin. But this is eraser. Okay. It's an
Er-
eraser.
eraser.
Very good. One more time, please. It's an eraser.
It's an eraser.
Good job. That's right. What about number four?
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Good job. Very good. And what about number five? What is number five?
It's a pencil case.
Very good. Let's put an S here, okay? Let's say the word case.
It's a backpack.
Very good. This is a backpack. Okay. Good job, Taulin. It's a backpack. Okay. Now, let's move on to letter D. Okay? All right. I will just uh wait for a second, for a moment, Taolin. Let's just share this screen with the translation, okay? Wait for a moment. Okay. All right. This time, let's put a translation here, okay? Let's practice. Okay, please read after me. Okay? Okay, let's read. What is it?
What it is?
Very good. It's a pen.
Is a pen.
Perfect. Now let's read its.
Is.
Good job. It is.
It is. Yellow.
Very good. That's right. Now let's look at number one. Okay. Can you ask, what is it?
It's
What?
a pen.
Okay, good job. Please read the word first. What is it?
What it is?
Very good. It.
It a pen.
Very good. All right. Good job. Now let's answer number two. The question is, what?
What it is?
Very good. That's right. It.
It's a pack.
Perfect. That's right. Good job, Taolin. Okay, now let's look at number three. Okay. Please say the question first. What
What it
is
is?
very good? It's
It's a pencil case.
very good. Now let's say, please say case. Let's say it again. Case.
Case.
Okay, good job. One more time, please. Case.
Case.
Perfect. Okay. Much better, Taolin. Let's look at number four. What is it? Okay. Please say the question.
What it is?
Very good. It's
It's a eraser.
eraser. Good job. That's right. Okay. Now let's look at number five. Okay. The question is
What is it?
very good.
It's
It's
a pencil.
very good. That's right. That's correct, Taolin. Good job. Now let's look at number six. Okay. What?
What it is?
Very good. That's right. It's
It's a ruler.
ruler. Wow. You are so smart. Okay. That's right. We are done with letter D. Now let's proceed to letter E. Okay, this time let's read the sentence. Okay, let's read the sentence. What is it?
What it is?
Good job. That's right. It's a ruler.
It's a ruler.
Perfect. That's right. Okay, Taolene, kindly read the sentence again.
What it is?
Good job.
It's
It's
ruler.
Very good. That's right. Wow. Now let's look at lesson number 2. Okay. Let's read again. School supplies.
School supply.
Perfect. That's right. Let's read the words here. Okay. Let's read book.
Book.
Perfect. Notebook.
Notebook.
Very good. Desk.
Desk.
That's right. And last is chair.
Chair.
Very good. Okay. Kindly read them again. What's number 1? Okay. Let's read number 1 again.
Book.
Perfect. That's right.
Notebook.
Very good. This is
Die.
okay. Good job. Next is
Chair.
chair. That's right. Now let's look at letter B. Okay. Let's read the sentence. Okay. It's a book.
It's a book.
Very good. It isn't a notebook.
It isn't a notebook.
Perfect. That's right. Let's read the words here, Taolin. Say it's.
It.
That's right. Very good. It is.
It is.
Perfect. Isn't.
Isn't.
That's right. Is not.
It not.
Perfect. Wow. Now let's look at the picture here. Okay. Look at Mike's table. Okay. Look at Mike's table. This one. What is number 1? Okay. It's
Book.
all right. Book. That's
Book.
right. Okay, that's correct, Howlin. It's a
It's a book.
perfect. Okay, let's practice saying it isn't a
It
notebook.
is. It isn't a notebook.
Very good. Wow. Good job, Taolin. Okay, now let's look at Emma's table. Okay, look at Emma's table. What is number 2 here?
It's a notebook.
Very good. It's a notebook. It isn't.
Isn't a book.
Very good. Wow. Now let's look at number 3. Okay, please look at Julie's table. What is
It
number 3?
it a die.
Okay, good job. Let's say this word again. Say
It
desk.
is
Mhm.
that. It
Perfect. It
isn't a chair.
very good. Wow. You are so smart, Taolin. Now let's look at Danny's table, okay? What is number 4?
It a chair.
Wow, very good. That's right. It's a chair. It isn't.
It isn't a die.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job, Taolin. You answered it all correctly. All right, now let's move on to the next page. Okay, this time let's practice reading the song. Okay, let's read the song. What is it?
What it is.
Perfect. A book, a book.
A book. A book.
It isn't a notebook.
It isn't a notebook.
Very good. A book, a book.
A book. A book.
It isn't a desk.
It isn't a die.
Very good. That's right. A book, a book.
A book. A book.
It isn't a pencil.
It isn't a pencil.
Perfect. What is it?
What it is? A
It's a
book.
book. Okay, good job. Wow. Now let's look at letter D here, okay? What is number one?
Book.
Book. Are you sure, Taolin? It's a book? Look at this one.
No book.
It's a notebook. That's right. Okay, good job. What about number two?
Die.
Okay, let's read this word again. Please say desk.
That.
Perfect. Now let's look at number three. What is number three?
Chair.
Chair. Very good. Wow. Now let's look at number four. What is number four?
Book.
Book. Very good. Wow. You answered it all correctly. Good job, Taolin. Now, this time, let's move on to letter E. Okay. Let's read. Okay. It's a desk.
It a that.
Perfect. It isn't a chair.
It isn't a chair.
Good job. Now, please read again, Taolin.
It a that.
That's right.
It isn't a chair.
Very good. Wow. Now, this time, let's move on to lesson number three. Okay, let's read story.
Story.
Okay, good job. Let's read the story. I'm great.
Angry.
Very good. That's right. Hi, Hi Emma. How are you? Please read.
Hi Emma, how are you?
Perfect. I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
Very good, Darlene. I'm good.
I'm good.
Perfect. That's right. Okay, now let's look at the right side. Okay, let's read. Hi, Danny. How are
Hi,
you?
hi Danny, how are you?
Perfect. That's right. I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Very good. All right. This time, let's look at the third picture. Look, Mike.
Look, my,
Very good. Mike. Mike.
my, my.
That's right. And the last picture. How are you, Mike?
How are you, my?
Perfect. I'm great. Thank you.
I'm great, thank you.
Very good, Darlene. Wow. You can read well. Okay, this time let's read the value. Okay, let's read the value. Be friendly. Let's read be friendly.
Be friendly.
Perfect. Good job. Now let's look at the next number. Okay, listen and number. Okay, what's what is the girl or what are the girls doing? Okay. Okay. Let's read the sentence. Okay. Teacher will help you construct a sentence and let's practice reading. The girl is talking
The
with
girl is
hmm,
talking
with
with
her
her
friend.
friend.
Good job. That's right. Let's look at number two. Okay. Please look at number two. She has a friend named
She had a
mhm,
train
named
named
Danny.
Danny.
Very good. That's right. What about number three? Hey, the girl is greeting someone. Okay, let's look at number three. So if you will greet someone, you will say, hello,
Hello,
how are you?
how are you?
Very good. That's right. Now let's look at number four. Okay, you will say, I'm fine. Thank you. I'm
I'm fine, thank you.
very good, darling. Good job. All right, this time let's look at letter C. Okay, let's read the song. Okay, let's practice reading. Okay, let's read. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very good. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good, darling. Now let's read again. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Perfect. I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. How are you?
How? Very good. That's right. I'm fine. I'm great.
I'm fine. I'm great.
Very good. Wow. Good job, Dowlin. This time, let's move on to letter D. Okay. This time, let's read the sentences and let's act here. Okay. This time, let's act in number two and in number three. Okay. You will read, how are you? Okay. Please
How
read.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, good job. Now let's look at number two. Okay, this is the teacher here and this is the student. Kindly read again. How?
How are you?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine, thank you.
Very good. Wow. And this is number three. Okay, so they are outside and the boy is talking to his friend. Okay, you will say, how?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. That's right. Okay, much better, Talin. Now, let's move on to lesson number four. Okay, let's read shapes.
Sheep,
Very good. Okay, this time let's move on to letter B. Okay, let's read the words here. Circle,
circle,
square,
square,
triangle,
triangle,
rectangle,
rectangle,
Very good. Okay, Taolin, can you please read them again? Okay, starting with what's this word again?
Circle.
Perfect. This is
Square.
very good. This is
Triangle.
that's right. And
Rectangle.
wow, you are so smart. Okay, this time let's move on to letter C. Okay, let's read. Okay, let's read. Is it a circle?
It is a circle.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Now let's read again. Is it a circle?
It is a circle.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
Good job. Wow. Now let's read the words here. Isn't.
Isn't.
That's right. Is not.
It's not.
Perfect. Okay, this time let's practice making a sentence. Okay, let's practice making a sentence. Darlene. Okay, starting with is it a circle?
It is a circle.
Okay, good
Yes,
job. Mhm.
yes, it is.
Perfect. Very good. Now let's look at number two. Okay. Is is it a
It,
square?
it is a square.
I'm for a moment, please. Wait for a second. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
It
Is
is
it
a square.
very good? What's your
Yes,
answer?
it is.
Very good. Okay. Now let's look at number three. Okay. Please look at number three. Is it
It is a triangle.
okay? Very good. And your
Yes,
answer. Yes.
yes, it is.
Good job. Wow. You are so smart. And let's look at number four.
It is a rectangle.
Very good. Is it a rectangle? The answer is
Yes, it is.
very good. Wow. You made all the sentences correctly, Taolin. This time, let's move on to the next page. Okay. This time, I will ask you the color of the shapes. Okay. Let's look at number one. What is this? It's a okay.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Rectangle. And the rectangle here is the green rectangle. Okay. Or the green shape. Green shape. Okay. Okay. Think you got it.
Tri-
Now, what is number two?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. That's right. Now, what is the color of the triangle in the next column? Color of the triangle. Okay, I will just translate it. Okay. So here, where is the triangle here? Pauline, where is the triangle? What is the color? Okay, teacher will help you. It's Okay, the triangle here is the yellow one. Okay, it's the yellow.
Yellow.
Very good. That's right. Okay, now let's look at number 3. Okay, what shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. That's correct. Now, what is the color of the other rectangle? Okay, this one, right? This one? Yes or no? Yes, it is a rectangle. Okay, so the color of this one is purple. Okay, this time, let's look at number 4, Taulin. What shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Good job. That's right. Now, where is the circle here? Okay, teacher will help you. This one is the circle. Okay. This time, let's look at number 5. What shape is this, Taulin?
Square.
Very good. That's right. Square. And the answer for this one is the red one. Okay, good job. You identified all the shapes. Good job. Now let's look at letter E. Okay, this time let's read. Okay, let's read. Is it a triangle?
It is a triangle.
Yes, it is.
Yet it is.
Good job. Now please read again. Okay, is.
It is a triangle.
That's right.
Yet it is.
Perfect. That's correct. Okay, now let's look at letter F. Okay, let's read. Look, it's a square.
Look, it's a square.
Very good. Look, it's a circle.
Look, it's a circle.
Very good, Taolin. That's right. Now this time, please read again.
Look, it's a square.
Very good. That's right.
Look, it's a circle.
Wow, good job. You read it all correctly. Okay, now let's look at the next lesson. Okay, it is all about, let's read art class.
A class.
Very good. Art supplies.
A supply.
That's right. Now this time, let's read the words. Paint.
Pen.
That's right. Paper.
Paper.
Very good. Chalk.
Chalk.
Yarn.
Yarn.
Glue.
Glue.
And the last word is tape.
Tip.
Very good. Okay, Taolin, please read again. Okay, this time you will read it on your own. Let's read again. What's this?
Pin.
Very good. Next one.
Paper.
Okay, good job. Let's read this word again. Let's say paper.
Pimper.
Very good. Paper. Good job. Next is, this word is, Okay, teacher will help you. Let's say chalk, like this one.
chalk,
Very good. That's right. Okay, next one. What is this?
yellow,
That's right. Good job. Next one.
yellow,
Very good. And the last word is?
chap,
Okay. Let's read this word again. Let's say tape. Okay. Let's
tea,
very good. One more time. Tape.
tea,
Very good. That was perfect, Daulin. All right, let's move on to letter B. Okay, listen and number. All right, this time, what is number one? What is
pink,
this? Okay, this is paint too. Okay, very good. Now, what is this one?
pink,
Okay, this is paint, paint. And what about the other one? Okay, I will remove the circle so that you will not be confused. What about the girl holding the blank? What's that?
pink,
Okay, good job. But this word is tape. Okay, this one is tape. Please read tape.
pink,
Very good. Okay, good job, Taolin. What about number two here? What is this? Hey, it's right. Teacher will help you. It is, what's this word?
yellow,
Glue.
yellow,
Very good. Very good. Now let's look at number three. What is this? Like this one. This one too. It is. Okay, teacher will help you. It's, please read. What's this? Let's read paper.
paper,
Good job. Very good, Daulin. And let's look at number four here. What is the girl holding? Okay, it's all right. Teacher will help you. What is this word again?
chalk,
It's chalk. Good job. All right. Now let's move on to the next page. Okay. This time, let's practice making a sentence. Okay, let's read the sentence first. This is paint.
this is pink,
Very good. That's right. Let's look at number one. What is this again? This
this is
is
pan,
very good. That's correct. Okay, let's read again. This is paint.
this is pink,
Very good. That's right. What about number two?
this this a paper,
Very good. Wow, amazing. That's correct, Paule. What about number three?
this is chalk,
Wow, good job. You are so smart. Okay, what about number four?
D,
Okay.
E,
This word is
young.
yarn. Very good. That's right. Let's look at number 5. What is number 5?
D, E, glue.
Wow, that's right. Okay, good job, Taolin. And what about number 6?
D, E, chat.
Okay, very good. Let's say this word again. Tape.
Cheap.
Perfect. That's right. Okay, this time let's move on to letter D. Okay, this time let's read the sentence. What's this?
What D?
This is paint.
D, E, pin.
Perfect. Let's read the words. What's?
What?
Very good. What is?
What is?
That's right. Okay, let's practice number 1. What?
Pin.
Okay, it's a paint. Let's
What
read the
did?
question. What? Perfect.
What did?
Mhm.
Did E, pin.
Very good, Darlene. Wow, you are so smart. Okay, let's answer number 2.
What did
Mhm.
E, young?
Yarn. Very good. That's right. Okay, now let's look at number 3.
What did did E, did E, cheap?
Okay, very good. That's right. What about number 4? What?
What did E, paper?
Okay, good job. Let's say this word again. Paper.
Paper.
Very good. And what is number 5? What?
What did E, glue?
Glue. That's right. Wow. I'm so amazed. What about number 6?
What
What?
did did E, chop?
Very good. Wow. Good job, Taulit. You answered it all correctly. Okay. However, Taulin, I have to stop sharing my screen because it's already time now. Okay. I'm so sorry. I have to stop sharing my screen. Okay. All right, Taolin. I can say that you are so good in constructing sentences and you can read the words and sentences very well. Wow, good job. Okay, thank you so much, Taolin, for attending my class today and see you again next time. Bye
Bye bye.
bye, bye, Taolin. Good night.
Bye.